Yes, Ruth Ann. Play away. Good for you. Okay. There you go. Ruthie in action. Let's get a little closer up. There you go. Awesome. Hey. What a little tease. Terrific. Smile. Talk away. Speak.
Because of that.
Mom is there all the time.
Yes, the mom.
You are such a poser. There you go. That's what I wanted to see. Cool.
Wow, you got strange anxiety at 5 months.
Cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
She has
That's nice.
That's excellent. Very
I
good,
didn't
little
begin
girl.
to crawl till 9 months, so that should be fine.
What you doing?
Yeah, but at 8 months I was smiling at strangers.
Mm-hmm.
She still wasn't strangers.
I
Hey,
know,
you.
that's my point.
Oh, but why would you be smiling at strangers if you're withdrawing and afraid?
There you go. Smile. Good girl.
Comparing her to you, huh?
Good girl. There you go. What dexterity. Strong work. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Good. My hair was actually pretty light brown when I was a kid. Not as light as Ruthie's, but
Where you
not
going?
as dark as it is now.
Busy kid.